Hello friends, so today we're gonna discuss something about confectionery. So let's get started. So in this PPT you will get to know what is the word sugar confectionery called in different places, in different origins, what is the word sugar confectionery called and what was the first ingredient used as a sweetener in confectionery. So in the next slide, you will get to know that confectionery is the art of making confections, which are food items that are rich in sugar and carbohydrates. So in this line, you can understand that all those confectionery items are those items which are made mainly from sugar and carbohydrates. It's not necessary that they should be baked, but it's necessary that they should have sugar and carbohydrates. So coming forward, exact definition is to say is difficult, but in general, though confectionery is divided into two broad overlapping categories. The first one is baker's confection and the second one is sugar confection. So these two confections are different. They are basically overlapping but have some points differ from each other. So let's talk about them. So the first one is baker's confection. So baker's confection, also called as flour confection, as the flour is the major ingredient used in the bakery. So in baker's confection there will be sugar, carbohydrates as well as flour. It includes principally sweet pastries, cakes and similar baked goods. So all those things which contains flour and are sweet in taste, they comes under baker's confection. Then we talk about sugar confectionery. So sugar confectionery includes candies, candied fruits, chocolates, chewing gums, bubble gum and other confectionery items that are made primarily of sugar. So in sugar confectionery there is no use of flour, as flour is only used in the bakery, and in baker's confection flour is only used. So in sugar confection all the chocolates, all the candies, all the candied nuts and chewing gums, bubble gums, all these types of things come under the sugar confectionery part. So coming forward, the word sugar confectionery is called candy in US and Canada's. In North America side, the word sugar confectionery is commonly used as candy. The sweets is commonly used terms in UK and Ireland. Lollies is the term used in Australia and New Zealand. So before sugar was readily available in the ancient Western world, confectionery was based on honey. So as there was no sugar product found at that time in the western region where the confectionery, the sugar confectionery is vastly made. So before the foundation, before the finding of sugar, there was honey which is used by the confectioners to make the confection items. So that's all for the day. Make sure you hit the like button, comment down if you still have any doubts, share it with all your friends, and for more such knowledge, keep watching What the Food. Bye bye.